In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Creo Parametric free. Downloading and installing Creo Parametric for free is possible through the official PTC website, as they provide a student and trial version that allows you to experience the full power of this professional CAD software without needing to purchase a license upfront. Creo Parametric is widely used in product design, engineering, and manufacturing, making it one of the most advanced tools for 3D CAD modeling and simulation. To begin, head over to the PTC Academic or Creo Trial download page right here in your web browser. If you're a student or educator, you can apply for the PTC Academic license, which gives you free access for learning purposes. If you're not a student, you can still download the 30-day free trial version of Creo Parametric to test its features. On the download page, you'll need to fill in a short form with your name, email, and organization or institution details before the download link becomes available. Once you receive access, download the installer that matches your system. After downloading, run the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation wizard will guide you through steps such as selecting the installation location, installing prerequisites, and confirming the license type. During this process, you may be asked to either log in with your PTC account or enter the product key provided for your free version. PTC usually sends it via email after registration. After the installation completes, open Creo Parametric. If you installed the student version, it should activate automatically using your PTC account. If you're using the trial, you'll need to sign in with the email you registered during the download. Once verified, you'll have full access to Creo's parametric modeling environment, assembly design tools, and simulation features for the duration of your free license. Since Creo is a resource-heavy application, make sure your computer meets the requirements. Typically, you'll need Windows 10, 116, 4-bit, at least 16GB RAM, a modern multi-core CPU, and a dedicated GPU for smooth rendering and modeling performance. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.